Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I am going to discuss about a beautiful novel, Sense and Sensibility, which is written by Jane Austen, who was a very famous novelist. Before going to start the novel, I want to clear one thing. As my exam is near, so I have to write it in English language, so I have decided to explain it in simple words in English. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's begin. The writer of the Sense and Sensibility is Jane Austen. This novel is about two sisters, Eleanor, who is the personification of sense and common sense, we can say, and Marianne, who is the personification of sensibility, emotion. The story starts with the Dashwood family. Mr. and Mrs. Dashwood are now getting old enough. They are the parents of four children: Eleanor, Marianne, Margaret, and a boy John. The wife of John was Fanny. Before the death of Mr. Dashwood, told John to share all resources among them all. But John's wife Fanny refused to share resources with Mrs. Dashwood and their daughters. John and his wife started to hate their mothers, Mrs. Dashwood, and the three girls. Especially, Fanny did not like Eleanor, the eldest daughter of the Dashwood family, because her brother Edward started to love Eleanor, and at the same time, Eleanor also liked Edward. At last, Mrs. Dashwood, with three daughters, decided to leave the home because John and his wife Fanny were instant at their decision. The Sorrow family had no idea about where should they go, as there were no one to help them. Then a man named Mr. Middleton helped them. He was the friend of Mr. Dashwood. After some days, a man named Colin Brandon started to like Marianne, the second daughter of the Dashwood family. But there was no sign from her side. Then Colin Brandon also did not try to impress her and all, as he was a gentleman. So he wanted her to understand him from her side. But unfortunately, Marianne even refused to talk to Brandon. Days passed on. After some years, Marianne met a handsome guy called John Willoughby. Marianne started to love him. Colonel Brandon wanted to talk Marianne something about the boy, as he was not a good for a girl like Marianne. But he controlled himself because she did not like to talk to him. Eleanor and Mrs. Dashwood also liked Willoughby. One day, Willoughby decided to leave Marianne and bound for London. She got upset because she loved Willoughby from the soft corner of her heart. She could not tolerate his decision. She cried and thought about Willoughby throughout the days. Colonel Brandon started to talk to her and tried his best to understand her. He told about the bad direction behind his good looking face. Marianne thought everything emotionally. On the other hand, one day Edward came to meet Eleanor to their home. Eleanor was too happy to see him. But suddenly Eleanor got upset because Edward came with his would-be wife Lucy. Eleanor controlled herself, and she was well known about Lucy, who only preferred resources. One day Eleanor and Marianne joined a party where they saw Willoughby, where Willoughby directly rejected Marianne and told he never loved her. But Marianne never expected such things from Willoughby. Days passed on. One day, Edward came to Eleanor's home with a broken heart. Lucy left him and took all his property. Eleanor knew about Lucy's character and waited for the right time. She never cried like Marianne, as she was very strong emotionally. Colin Brandon started to find a job for Edward, and finally, got a job for Edward. Eleanor and Edward reunited, and at last, Willoughby also realized about what he had done with Marian. Marian got married with Colin Brandon. Throughout the novel, we can say Marian is a very weak character and she reacted everything emotionally, but Eleanor was very strong.